All right, so Jose, what's next, man? We've got some more insectos here.
Yes, we're gonna have grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers.
Okay.
And they're chapulines.
Yeah,
chapulines.
chapulines. Yeah. Usually the people eat them just like this.
Okay.
When you go like into a market, they will have chapulines like in a bucket, and they will sell you chapulines, and it's like a snack.
Right.
And you will eat them just like that. They will put sometimes garlic or chile, and it's basically a snack. So today we're gonna make it a little dish out of it.
Okay.
So, and we'll eat them in tacos.
Sure. I've had these before, and I know in Oaxaca they have them in baskets in different sizes too, like
Yes.
big ones or little ones
Yes.
or medium-sized ones. May I try one before we
Yes,
start
please,
cooking with them?
please.
Let's see.
These are medium size.
Okay, medium-sized chapulines,
Yeah.
grasshoppers.
They're very earthy taste.
You know, this is one of my favorite insects too. I'm getting the salt, obviously.
Yes.
Is there a little chile mixed in with that?
A little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Little limon?
Yes.
Really good. All right, show us what you're going to do
Okay.
with these.
So this is very simple.
Here we go.
There you go.
Fire.
Okay.
All right.
So a little bit of oil.
Okay.
It's very simple. Mostly all the insects are very simple to make. You have to preserve the taste of it, what it tastes like. If you mix them with sauces and everything, then they're gonna lose the taste and they're gonna taste like the sauce.
The insect needs to be the star of the show.
Yes,
when you're
exactly.
preparing them like this.
And with any exotic food, it's the same thing. So we're gonna put a little bit of onion, a little bit of jalapeno,
Okay.
not too much.
Very thinly sliced into
Yes.
strips there.
Jalapeno again, because it's herbal and it's not spicy.
So to go with the flavor,
Yes.
not over the flavor
Yes.
of the grasshoppers.
So
And I think most people in the U.S. who haven't had insects, usually the grasshoppers or the chapulines are the first one that people try.
yes,
So it's very important to make sure that they're delicious if you
Yes.
want people to come back and try
yes,
and have
you
more.
have a big responsibility when you make a very exotic dish, because if you don't make it correct, not appealing, then people won't eat it again.
Right.
Gotta be
2
careful.
billion people on this planet eat insects every day as part of their daily diet.
Yes. So now our onion is getting like yellowish, and we put the grasshoppers.
Look at that.
We don't put any salt because they have salt already.
Already. Oh, I'm getting the smell. I think for the peppers, a little bit from the grasshoppers. The onions.
put a
Oh
little
my
bit
goodness. Okay.
All
That
of them.
smells fantastic. I wish you guys could smell.
Yeah, this is something that I do that is not very traditional, but I put a little bit of mezcal.
Okay. Ooh, mezcal. I like that.
We don't want to get the flames out or anything like
Okay.
that, because sometimes when you have a dish and a flame comes out, it will burn some of the parts, and the legs of the insects they will burn
Oh,
very
okay.
easy, and you don't want that taste. We don't want a smoky taste. We turn it off.
Okay. So it's a very quick fry,
Very,
a
very
very
quick.
quick saute.
Yeah. And now we can see it and taste it.
Okay. All right, let's do it. We're going to the table now. We're going to try some of
Tortilla.
Jose's amazing insects. All right, now's my favorite part, the part where we eat. All right, Jose, let's get going here, buddy.
Okay.
What's going on?
Now with the grasshoppers that we made, we're gonna make some tacos again.
Okay.
You're gonna put some little bit of sauce, but this dish we're gonna pair with
Okay.
mezcal.
If you
You
insist.
prepare your food, your mouth with a little bit of mezcal, and then you have a bite of your taco.
Okay,
Okay.
in that order.
Okay.
All right.
So the tortillas.
Olga?
Olga, please.
Thank you. Wow, what a joy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jose.
Tell me how you got involved into all the...
Well, 27 years ago, when I started Cien Años, I thought, what can I bring from the south of Mexico that they don't have in Tijuana or in this part of Mexico? And one of the things was insects. They didn't know about insects here. So we were the first ones to brought insects. And it's a very traditional Mexican food. So,
Great.
okay, please.
I am excited. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
The smell coming off of this
Look
as
at
you
this.
were sauteing it was just perfection. And mouth water.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm gonna go for a
Look at
full-on
this.
taco.
And if you notice, Scott, when we had the grasshoppers before, they were like dull, and now they're like shiny, which makes them more appealing to your
okay.
Ice.
Right.
to your eyes.
So when you sauteed them, that's gave them a little bit of a glow.
Yes.
Okay.
Sauce, a little bit of sauce,
Right.
please.
And this is the salsa that was made
No,
earlier.
This is just plain tomatillo sauce.
Okay.
Okay. Now a little bit of sauce.
Okay.
Prepare your mouth with the
So first I take a little
yes.
taste of the
I'm gonna
mezcal.
take it one.
Salud.
Salud. You prepare your mouth with this.
Wow. I
And
think my
then-
entire body is prepared.
And then you have a bite.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, yum.
That
Mm-hmm.
is like heaven in a tortilla. Bug heaven in a tortilla. Delicious.
And they're good by themselves, but when you pair them with mezcal or tequila, it changes the whole thing.
I love all the flavors, every taste, and now I understand why you had me have the mezcal first. Incredible. Thank you.
Salud, guys.
Salud.
Salud. Salud.
Now we're going to escamoles.
Escamoles. Ant larvae, right, Jose? Let's do it.
Let's do it.